Heyo, boss, and welcome back. It is the fall season, and we are so excited. We got a lot of great recipes to share with you, and this is one of Chef's favorite time of the year. So, now typically every year, Chef tries to put out a mac and cheese dish. Now last year we might have forgot, we apologize, but this year we're kicking off October with an easy mac and cheese. One of the simplest recipes you can literally make. So, we think you're going to really enjoy this. It's nice comfort food that everyone can enjoy. Go ahead and turn those lights down low and let's get cooking. So Chef's going to use his Copper Chef, and he actually got this recipe from the Copper Chef manual there. Just want to give you a shout out. If you don't have a Copper Chef, you can use a pot around this size. Go ahead and put your elbow macaroni right in, uncooked, and if you have gluten-free, you can use gluten-free as well. Next up, you're going to add some water, and then your heavy cream. And don't forget, all the ingredients as well as all the measurements will be down below. Chef's going to put in some cornstarch, and then some shredded cheddar cheese. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Mix them all together and put your oven stovetop to low. Once everything's been mixed up, go ahead and put the top on your pan, hot just like so, and just let it cook on low, checking it every 20 minutes or so. It's been about 20-25 minutes. You can see it's bubbling. Give it a quick stir. We're now close to the hour mark, so you can see it's thickened up a little bit. Always keep stirring it. And now here we are pretty much right at that hour mark, and you can see some of the sides are really crispy, but you don't want it to cook too long. So always keep stirring it and checking it, but an hour should do it. Chef's going to go ahead and plate this up for your viewing. And now Chef said if you want to just spice it up a little bit, he's going to throw some paprika on top. That's going to be for color as well as some flavoring. And that is it. Simple. All the ingredients go in, put it on low, stir it every once in a while, and there you go. Chef said this was a really good mac and cheese. It wasn't as cheesy as some of his other ones he's put out there. Feel free to go back and check those out as well. But it came out really good. And in a pinch, it was really delicious. So, very unique, very fun, simple mac and cheese. Definitely stick with us. Check out our last week's video. And check out our blog as well as anything else. Subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you here. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.